What's up mga kabala-bala-bala-balas? My name is Gianna May C. Balacanya, 20 years old. You can call me Bam Bam, as in B-E-M, B-E-M, as in Bam Bam. I live in Dado Alamada, North Cotabato, where you can see a lot of beautiful faces like me. Then a lot of chismosa. Damn! Barangay Dado composed of 17 sitios, such as the Sitio Mimbalawag, Sitio Ribi, Sitio Terenteren, Sitio Dulao, Sitio Mimbalawag, and many more. So in every September, we celebrate our founding anniversary, and marami po tayong aktibidades na aabangan sa aming anniversary. And then before the fiesta is meron pong search na next mutya ng Dado. And then a day of fiesta, there are a lot of performances we can watch in a Dado High School field. And every April, we celebrate the feast of San Vicente Ferrer, our Catholic church here in our community.
Nice.
My father's name is Mr. Thelmo D. Balacanya, and my mother's name is Mrs. Vilma Santos.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Charot! Mrs. Vilma C. Balacanya. And then 10 po kami magkakapatid. Ako po ang bunso, 5 babae at 5 lalaki.
Oh, wow!
And then ang aming pamumuhay is farming. My parents are farmers. I graduated my junior high school and senior high school at Dado High School year 2022-2023. At wala akong masasabi sa paaralan na pinanggalingan ko dahil sila ay so much perfect.
Paano masabi?
Because their teacher was so passionate in their teaching field na marami kang matutunan at madadala mo sa future mo as a student and as a professional person in the future. My course is Bachelor of Science in Psychology at Southern Christian College. I choose this course because, to be honest, hindi ko pa alam kung bakit pa ako nandito sa Bachelor of Science in Psychology. And my expectation in this course, it was so challenging, it was so amazing when habang kinukuha ko po tong course, so amazing talaga. And then mahirap naman lahat ng course po is Chada! I enrolled Southern Christian College dahil marami po ako mga chikas na naririnig about sa school na ito, na sabi nila ang Southern Christian College to is academic achievers, and then marami ang mga students na nakakapasa during the board exam. So exactly, tama naman po ang sinabi nila. And next is, ang naka-influence po na mag-aral po ako sa Southern Christian College is mga peers ko, mga kakilala ko dito sa aming community. Ang expectation ko sa Southern Christian College is matutulungan nila ako na ma-build ang aking sarili, and then marami ako makukuha ng mga learnings, mga knowledge para mas maging mabuti at mas maging malawak aking pag-iisip sa pagdating ng panahon if ako ay magiging registered psychology in the future. My goal in life is to become a guidance counselor. I will achieve it by doing my part as a student, like study hard, work hard, give my all best, try my best so that I will pass my subjects. And then the hindrances, I think, is the people around us na nagsasabi na hindi ko raw to matatapos ang course na to. I see myself 10 years from now is isang mabuting asawa. Charot lang, charot. Isang professional and then successful psychology in our community. Thank you very much. Hey! Goodbye mga kabala-bala-bala-bala!
Welcome to Barangay Dado. Dado is a barangay in the municipality of Alamada in the province of Cotabato that has a big population. Dado is the most visited barangay here in the municipality of Alamada because of different hidden tourist spots. On the way to Libungan River, located at City Halmat, Dado, Alamada, Cotabato, is a breathtaking natural wonder that showcases the beauty of Mindanao's landscapes. The river also a gateway to Asik-Asik Falls, a hidden paradise just a few kilometers away. The Libungan River at City Halmat, it is a symbol of life, beauty, and resilience in the heart of North Cotabato. Halina at magtampisaw sa Libungan River. Daday Falls at Sitio Mimbalawag, Dado, Alamada, Cotabato. The most visited falls here in Barangay Dado because of its breathtaking cascade that captivates visitors with its pristine beauty and tranquil ambience. This majestic waterfall offers a refreshing escape for adventure and nature lovers alike. It is the highest and biggest waterfalls in the municipality of Alamada, has an estimated height of 55 meters and drops in 90 degrees angle. For those seeking a peaceful retreat or thrilling outdoor experience, Daday Falls promises an unforgettable adventures. Welcome to Water Point at Sitio Coronado, Dado, Alamada, Cotabato. It's a natural attraction known for its clear and refreshing waters. The cold spring offers a serene environment, making it an ideal spot for visitors seeking relaxation amidst nature.